love, the reason why I've called you here is all about the business we're probably going to start probably next year in the 2026.
Okay.
So I think we shall try with the business of the poultry, being that we're having a restaurant and probably to help us not spend much spend much in chicken, buying chicken. At least chicken will be coming from the poultry. We are helping us with that. So I'm having the iron sheets, so we need to construct where the birds are going to be sleeping, and it's all about 65 sheets, roughly each at 45. That's 2.5 m. Went on cement. We may always buy around 4 bags. That's 180. Even the workers and even some bricks. I think it will be 1.2. Sorry.
Yes?
What is it?
Nothing, I'm listening.
And if someone is talking about sex, and you keep on shouting like that. And if someone is talking about sex, and you just keep on shouting, and almost times on the phone. But what's wrong with you? What's the problem?
Nothing.
Other women are there outside supporting their men. I don't even know what to say. Give me the phone. Give me that phone. Password everywhere. TikTok password, Facebook password, WhatsApp password. What I hide? We are married.
Of course we are.
And you put password everywhere. Do you mind removing the password? What was wrong? We are married. Right?
Yes, we are.
And what are you hiding?
Of course nothing.
So, passwords are not needed in the phone. Do you mind removing it? I even regret why I married you.
What?
You're never a supporting woman. What you like is slay queen. Password. Love.
Yes, darling.
Give me the password. I have to call someone.
Don't you have your phone?
When I'm talking about something which is sense, give me the password. I've been talking to the client. My bundles got run.
Babe, this is my phone. My phone, my privacy.
But what's wrong with you? After they are going to say, no eggs, no bread, no what? You are here enjoying life. Just a mere colleague. So I can take money.
But you have your own phone. Just use your phone.
Do that. This password is going to run our marriage. So now give me the phone and give me the password. And send me the password. insisting that I'm commanding. You're either going to give me the password or you leave my house. Let me think I'm clear. No, thank you.
You're welcome.
So what are you going to eat for lunch?
Babe, you're still taking breakfast. I'll let you know.
Because all of today I may not go to work. I want to spend time with my daughter and family.
Sure.
Do you have a problem with it?
Of course no.
Okay. So, probably, did you send money to Mama? Because last time you told me that Mama was sick and she needed money.
Of course I did.
But you never told me about it.
I'm sorry.
I've just been great.
I'm sorry.
Okay. By time for eating, first put the phone down.
It's okay.
Let me first go for the washroom.
It's okay. Samantha.
Yes.
How is school?
School is good.
Sure. Okay. Marthy. I can't see what. That teacher said you could have lunch.
English.
I know. English.
Now what is it? You're not taking. You've been waiting for me.
Who is Dora?
Who is Dora?
I'm asking you, asking me. I said who is Dora?
Then who is Dora you're talking about?
Are you trying to fool me around? But who is Dora?
Mother, do you mind if you can take your breakfast from the veranda? Mom and Dad will have something to talk about, right?
Yes.
Love you.
Have it.
Who is Dora?
Just a client.
Your client. Client change just in the message number. Hey love, thanks for everything.
That's .com era these days. Someone can
.com error. Are you trying to fool me around? And last time, you're the one who told me that stop putting password into your phone, and you're doing the same thing. Now what's this? What are you trying to hide? It means you're hiding something, right?
One thing I want to ask you. I want you to remind me, who is the man in the house?
Oh,
Who buys food? Whose house is this? So next time, shut your mouth when you're talking about my things. Right?
okay.
Never enter my personal life.
We shall see.
Someone also calls it. People, I'm now remained alone in the dining.
My beautiful viewer, as you've seen in our episode, that the phones have become a problem in families, in marriage. How comes that we as married couple, we share the same bed, we have the same meal, we sit on the same dining table, but we fail to share passwords? How comes that the phones, we are hiding them against each other, yet we got the same church? There is a problem. As we've seen in the video, that the families are being destroyed by phones, by passwords. Ask a question. I want to ask you, is it true that I should have my own phone, yet we are a couple? Is it true that you should not share the password with your partner? Is it true? Yet we vowed in the church to be one. There is a problem we need to digest here. How comes? I want to think, and I'm very sure that it is Satan's strategy to see that the password, the phone separates us because we vowed to be one. Come with me in the book of Genesis, chapter 2, verse 24. It says, "Therefore shall a man leave his father and his mother, and shall cleave unto his wife, and they shall be one flesh." We've seen that the man shall leave his father and mother, and he shall unite with the wife, and they become one flesh. Remember, verse 25, it says that they were all naked at the beginning. Marriage began when two partners are naked, no privacy. How comes that your phone is a private property, yet you are one flesh? How comes that you two individuals are sharing what we call the private parts? Yes, I mean it. That you fail to share passwords, you fail to share the phone. How comes? And they became one. No secret, no private rooms, no private election, no private friends, no private place, but they become one. Which means one. We are the generation whereby Satan is implanting in families phones to separate us. Now what are you hiding? What are you hiding? Someone wants to access your phone? He freely, you give him the phone. What are you hiding? Because the phone belongs to you. You, I mean singular. You, but two in one. That's what the Bible means. So, as I've said, that you people, you two couples, when you are together, you are vowed to be together, you should be one. You cannot be one and have two private digital lives. It should be one. The Bible says in 1 Corinthians chapter 7 verse 4, it reads, it says, "The wife has no power over her own body, but the husband, and likewise also the husband has no power over his own body, but the wife." The wife has no power over his own body. Just imagine. Before I had a cloth, a piece of cloth, I had my own body. Before I had a car, I had my own body. Before I had a house, I had my own body. Before I had anything, I had my own body. But the Bible says that the wife, she has no authority over her own body. Same to the husband. What about the phone? If even my body, I have no full authority over it. It means the Bible says that the wife and the husband, they are one. The body belongs to the wife. The body of the wife belongs to the husband. What about a cell phone? It is Satan's strategy to see that he destroys marriage via these devices. I pray that we should come to understanding that as the Bible says, and it goes far away to make it clear that even our own bodies, as long as you are married, What about just this device? A device whereby you can even live without these devices, but you cannot live without your body. So this is my point I want to stress, that we should be totally free. Let the husband access the phone. No private property as long as you are married. Just imagine that you two people are sharing the same bed, sharing the same meal, sitting at the same dining, and you always want even the property should have, maybe the wife should wants her name to be on the title, the untitled, and the husband the same. So you want that equalment. It means the husband can access your phone, even the wife can access the husband's phone, vice versa. Don't say that I, the husband, should access yours, then the wife shouldn't access mine because I'm the man. It's not about it. No. Both of you can access each one's phone. It shows oneness. It shows unity. It shows one direction. It shows love. It shows that there is no secret thing between me and you. Transparency. Be aware of Satan's tactics. Be aware of Satan's tactics so that you may stand in such days. You might be there having the same situation at home. Please pray that God should give you the life of oneness. As a couple, God designed that you should be one in everything. God bless you. Muchibi Jovan Musasizi by beholding UG. Stay tuned, share, comment.